Hi, I'm Steph, and this is my Oru Inlet kayak. And today I am going to repair it because in the last month I realized there was a tiny hole that let water through the bottom of the kayak. It didn't let it fully into the inside of the kayak, but it did let water into the channels, and so I want to try to get that fixed. And I contacted Oru customer support, and they responded right away, and they actually sent me a repair kit. And I looked through this, and I think I'm going to be able to use the glue part of this because it's a tiny hole. So they were very quick to respond to get me some service. So today we're going to go ahead and try to fix that and see if we can get it all ready and back on the water. So I'm going to start by putting together the kayak. I'm not going to put everything together. I think that's enough to go ahead and fix this. All right, so I think it's right here because I can actually see water because it's really, really small. So I think I'm going to have to take it apart again and fold it in order to find the hole. Okay, so there's actually some water still in it. So this will hopefully help us. You can see that string right there of this right here. That is some water in the channel. So I'm gonna have Mom slowly lift it from the bottom, and I'm gonna see if I can identify it. Okay, so it's right here. You can see that water was in the channel, so it's a hole. Okay, now fold it. So I think it's right here. I put a little note here so when I open it up, I can hopefully see where that is. Yep, there's the hole. You see that water droplet that's right in front of the sticky note? Okay, so the instructions say to repair small punctures, screw applicator tip onto the tube of glue to puncture, then remove the blue cap. Squeeze glue into puncture. The glue will expand to fill the channel in the corrugated material. All right, so that's what we're going to try. It's actually Gorilla Glue. You can get that at Home Depot. So if this happens to you, you don't have to buy the whole kit. We just screw it on and it's going to puncture here. And so I probably won't be able to use this for other repairs because this will probably go bad at some point. But so it punctures it. And then I'm going to take the top off, and I'm just going to prime it kind of here. Make sure it's working. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I put the glue there. I'm going to take this off and so none of this glue gets on, and we will see. So it's been 24 hours later, and there's the hole right there with the glue over it. Yeah, hopefully you can see it just as well as I can, which is not very well right there. All right, so I went to fold it and water was coming out of it, so I don't think the glue worked all the way. So I'm gonna actually try to glue it when it's folded right here like this to see if that does anything different. So we'll keep trying. I have the Oru packed up and on edge, and I just wanted to show this is where it's glued, and it looks like it's staying glued so far. So we'll see how it does when I'm on the water. The next time I kayak in this is actually going to be when I'm camping, so that will be interesting to see if it works. But I'm bringing duct tape, worst case scenario. But you can see, yeah, that's right on the edge where it like folds multiple ways. So I could see where that was a weak point. So what about that hole in the bottom? Well, I actually took it out kayaking. I took it out camping kayaking and didn't have any water get in the channel. And then I just took it out and I noticed some water coming out of the hole again. So I'm going to try to use the super glue again. And I'm just gonna keep trying at it. If it keeps opening, if the hole keeps opening up again, I'll contact Oru again. So I don't really have a great full ending story for you here. It's not that big a deal. I will say that. It doesn't let water into the kayak. It just lets it into a channel, which is what's kind of nice about having the folding kayak, that it has that corrugatedness.
that the water just gets in the channel, but it doesn't get into the whole kayak and kind of sink it. Like if it was an inflatable, if there was a hole, it would, you know, the whole thing would be destroyed. So it's annoying, but it's not, doesn't make it unusable. And it's something I can kind of keep working on. But if I get some more answers from Oru about better solutions, I'll let you know. It's not going to stop me from kayaking in it because it doesn't actually affect the performance of the kayak. So hopefully that was helpful. Not full resolution to it, but if I have a full resolution, I will do a follow-up on it as well. But thanks for joining and have a great day.